Hello everyone. I've got this Hunter hybrid. Not exactly sure what the model name is. I want to say we found it once on the group, but I don't remember. But it's like a Sea Air and a Hunter Infiniti and stuff combined. I think it's probably a Builder Square special. That I got from a lighting collector who found it while he was out scrapping, or looking for scrap metal, I should say. And it works pretty well. It wobbles, but I think one of the blades is lower than the other four, so that would explain that. But other than that, it works really well. So let's give it a shot here. It's moving pretty good air. If you don't really know what a Hunter Infiniti is, it's that. Medium. Low. And off. As 90s Hunters tend to be. It's pretty quiet. Got a good spin down time. The price was definitely right. So once again, there we have it. Alrighty, that is it, and I hope you enjoyed.